So we're here changing out the glass. Look at this beautiful lake. What lake is this, Adam? What's the name of this lake?
I don't know. I thought maybe it was
Crescent Lake. I
No,
think.
I don't think so.
No?
It's not.
I know it's a chain. What did he say you want the glass cutter? So guys, we're out here changing out the window. And that's Adam. He lives in Claremont, but he seems to forget the chain of lakes.
The Minnehaha is the one in the middle of the three big lakes. Lower Minnehaha and then Lake Louisa.
Let's see what.
Thought Georgia was there with this.
No, I don't remember. It's the one that decades lived on. That's all I know.
Oh, we need two suction cups.
Yep.
They're in the front.
It's coming right out, so.
Yeah, I got it.
Brush. 48 a la cabeza.